413, shots fired, 100 West Willard. Get your hand up right now!
The officer, please, sorry, 1 West Willard. This is the officer, please, sorry, 1 West Willard.
Move the car, Mark, move the car.
All right.
All right, 413.
Get us cars, please, 100 Willard.
All right, first car location with condition. Give me the hit.
Keep those hands up, right where I can see them. Keep those hands up.
Mark, get them up on us.
Yeah.
All right, so watch it, East Willard or West Willard?
West Willard.
All right. Well, Commander, get West for Cumberland Booth. Get in and clear. First car condition.
Break the window, Mike. Just use your fucking ass.
About 100 West Willard, 50 off the police fire radio, 100 East Willard, 50 off the police fire radio.
Huh?
We're gonna have to get them out.
I know.
13, anyone approaching?
Yeah, people around now. 14, 13.
2 and 4.
Alright, anyone on location with 13?
Scoop now.
I heard East Willard.
I'm sorry, east. Wow.
Forward.
Mike, stay with the car. I'll take it. Stay with the car so no one grabs anything.
Alright, East is your actual location with FSO.
On August 14th, 2023, Eddie Irizarry, a 27-year-old Puerto Rican man, was shot to death in Philadelphia by Mark Dial, a white police officer. On May 22, 2025, Dial was found guilty of the manslaughter of Irizarry and other charges. He was acquitted of murder and official oppression. On July 17, 2025, Dial was granted immediate parole following sentencing.
1595. You can slow down a little bit.
13, I got him.
Alright, J. Johnny East.
Proceed, okay.
Alright, J. Johnny East, then. Do we have a scene out there? Do we have a perimeter set up?
Alright, do you use the courthouse? We'll use the hospital. Just get in there, give us a couple minutes to get it settled. We will let you know, but we do have a scene that is under control.
Alright, for the assist portion, can we resume the assist then for right now?
Sure, resume the assist to set up our perimeter on each side of the block for us, please.
Yeah, only one.
Alright, which unit is scooping and taking that mail to Temple?
2413 and a half is scooping them out. Get in there. Give me the whole block. The whole block is shutting down. We'll give you an update in 2 minutes.
Irizarry's resting place in Northeast Philadelphia tonight. His loved ones remembered the 27-year-old who was killed on this date 1 year ago.
We want to keep his memory alive. We're going to plan a few things just to keep him going, make sure he's not forgotten.
Irizarry was shot and killed by now former Philadelphia police officer Mark Dial on August 14, 2023, during a traffic stop in Kensington.
413, shots fired, 100 West Willard.
Body-worn camera footage released by the Philadelphia District Attorney's Office shows Dial and his partner running toward Irizarry's car with their guns drawn. The officers shouted to each other and at Irizarry, some of their words debated by the prosecution and defense, before Dial fired 5 shots through the car's closed driver's side window, killing Irizarry. At the time of the shooting, Dial's defense team argued he acted in self-defense and believed Irizarry had a gun. Irizarry did not, but investigators say 2 knives were found inside the car.
The whole world's seen this video. The witnesses, the evidence is all there, you know? What else can we do or say for them to see these evidence?
A judge dismissed murder charges against Dial in September, but those charges were reinstated a few weeks later. Then, last Thursday, the prosecution withdrew first-degree murder charges against Dial after Dial's defense complained that the prosecution did not turn over a critical expert witness report that they commissioned months ago and planned to use at trial.
We felt as if the system is letting us down again. I don't think if it would have been somebody else, this would not have happened.
Dial is still facing third-degree murder and other charges. His trial was set to begin next month, but was pushed back to May 2025 after Thursday's decision.
And we're not going to quit. We're not going to quit. Somebody's got to see the same thing that we're seeing, that the whole world is seeing.
The Irizarrys are planning a mass in Eddie's honor this Sunday afternoon and then a rally later in the day at the location in Kensington where he was shot and killed. In the newsroom, I'm Brian Sheehan, NBC 10 News.